Hi everyone! I just put together a quick tutorial to show how to apply to homeschool in the Cayman Islands since everything is completed online now. I started at our Homeschool Cayman page to get the link. Just click the blue button that says Cayman Islands Homeschool Registration. That'll take you to this page. Scroll down until you see the Homeschool form and click the plus sign to the right. You can see all the forms you should have on hand before you apply. They might not all apply to you, but I'll show you the documents you absolutely need to have as we go through this. You'll need to complete one of these forms for each child. The first page is a checklist. If your teacher is licensed, you'll need to upload appropriate documentation. Since I'm the one facilitating the teaching, I'll go ahead and click No. The instruction day is at least 5 hours. The instructional year is at least 185 days. The curriculum includes the areas of reading, writing, math, science, and social studies, and in years, which means that they're at a grade appropriate level. A plan book or other written record indicating subjects and activities is maintained. A portfolio of samples of the student's academic work is maintained. A record of evaluations of the student's progress is maintained. A semi-annual progress report, including attendance records and individualized assessments of the student's academic progress in each instructional area, is submitted to the Department of Education Services. Records are maintained in a form that can be readily reviewed by the Department of Education Services. Library facilities are available to the student. Parents will not hold the government or the Department of Education Services employees responsible for any educational deficiencies. A written description of the program, the texts and materials to be used, the method of program evaluation, and the place of instructions are attached. When you click Yes, an option will appear to upload your homeschool program. This should show what subjects you'll be teaching and what program or curriculum you're using. You can find a whole list of options on our homeschoolcayman.ky website. Next, you'll need to upload a copy of your timetable. The timetable should show what subjects you plan to teach on which days. This application is a renewal, and now I'll upload Brandon's report card from this year. His current school is Homeschool, so go ahead and click Next. This page is where you put in your student's information. We need their full name, their gender, and date of birth. Depending on your immigration status, you'll need to have one of these documents ready to upload. Okay, now we'll go ahead and put in the home address. If your child has ever been assessed by an educational psychologist, this is where you would explain and upload the educational psychologist assessment. We'll add the teacher's name, phone number, email, and address. Since I'm teaching, I'll put in my information. Now we come to the parent and guardian section. There's a drop-down box where you choose your relationship to the student. Okay, now add the secondary parent. If the person applying doesn't have parental responsibility of the child, you'd need to attach the court documents showing who has responsibility here. You can read the parent-guardian statement and the declaration and check it if you agree. And the last part of the form is submitting a signature for each parent or guardian. You'll need to use your mouse or your finger if you're filling this out on a tablet. If the second parent or guardian can't sign the online application, you can download a paper copy and upload the form once they've signed. Click Submit, and that's all there is to it. I hope this was helpful. If you need any other information, you can visit homeschoolcayman.ky, and you can also check with others in the Cayman Homeschoolers Facebook page. Thanks for watching. Bye.